If you are struggling making $100 per day on YouTube, then this is the exact video for you, definitely, because I am going to show you the exact 5-step strategy creators use to earn $100 and even more per day on YouTube. Now, this thing that I'm about to show you, most people put them in course and sell them to you, but I am going to show you for free. And if this is what you're actually looking for, then come closer and let's dive in. Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing that YouTube actually pays $100 whilst you were sleeping. Sounds impossible, right? No, it's very possible with YouTube. Well, thousands of small creators are doing exactly this right now, and here's the crazy part. Well, thousands of small creators are doing that exactly right now, and here's the crazy. Most of them don't have millions of subscribers. I said that twice because even some of them are even making more than $100. Some are making thousands of dollars, some $2,000, some are $3,000 of dollars, and I'll show that to you as you are watching this video. In this video, I will show you the exact 5-step strategy creators use to earn $100 per day on YouTube. Don't skip ahead, because step 5 is the best that separates channels that make a few dollars from channels that makes $100 every single day. Let's get started. If you are new here, this channel is all about YouTube growth, monetization, and making money online. If that is something you are interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. Now let's talk about your first $100 on YouTube. Step 1 is choose a profitable niche. Here's what most creators actually mess up. They will go on and choose other niches which are unprofitable and make less money. And if that's your problem, don't worry, I'm here to sort that set for you. The first mistake creators make: choosing a niche that gets views but doesn't make money. Yes, that's what I just recently said. Here's the truth: not all views are equal. A channel getting 10,000 views about entertainment might earn less than a channel getting 2,000 views about finance. And now, if about the most profitable niches, here them now I'm going to give you about some of the most profitable niches. Now, number 1 is personal finance, number 2 is AI tools, number 3 is online business, number 4 is technology, investing, education, and software tutorials. Here are some of the highest paying niches that YouTube is ever ready to pay. For example, a creator uploads videos free about AI tools. People watching those videos are interested in software and business. Advertisers pay more to reach that audience. Alright, as a result, the creator earns more money per 1,000 views. So before creating the content, ask yourself this number 1 question I'm about to say, is that will advertisers pay to reach this audience? Number 2, if the answer is yes, exactly, you're on the right track. But choosing the right niche isn't enough. You also need a right content strategy. That's where the step 2 comes in. Many creators upload random videos and hope they go viral. That's like throwing darts blindfolded. Instead, create videos people are already searching for. Now, there are many videos people are already searching for, and you remember YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world. Google owns YouTube, alright, so use your keywords legitimately. Now, YouTube search and type words related to your word. Instead, create videos people are already searching for. Use YouTube search and type words related to your niche. For example, if you're in the AI niche, search the best AI tools, free AI tools. Now you have ChatGPTs and AI side puzzles. Alright, notice how YouTube automatically suggests topics. Those suggestions means people are actively searching for them. Create videos answering those questions. For example, instead of uploading thought about AI, upload free AI tools that can save you 10 hours a week. One is vague. Alright, now the other solves a specific problem. Alright, and problem solving content get views consistently, as this channel is doing. I'm now solving a problem for you on how you can make $100 per day. So now this channel will be making much more money, even though the subscribers are not yet enough, but will be making much more money per 1,000 views. But views alone won't get you $100 per day. You need people to keep watching. Alright, now that is where step 3 comes in: increase watch time. Our YouTube rewards videos that keep viewers watching. Exactly, longer. The more people stay on YouTube to watch your video, the more YouTube recommends most of your videos to them. The longer people watch, the more YouTube promote your content. Here's a simple formula. Now, number 1, this is actually the most game changer that I'm about to show you. Use a hook, a problem, a solution, curiosity, and a reward. For example, at the beginning of your video, say most creators make this mistake, and I'll show you how to avoid it in a moment. Now, viewers want to stay and hear the answer. This is what you call an audience gap. Alright, you create curiosity and then close it later. Use stories, examples, use open loops and closed loops as well. Keep giving viewers reason to stay. Most watch time equals to more recommendations. Alright, so do that as more watch time always equals to more recommendation again and again, and more recommendations equals to more views, and more views equals to more money. So you can even make $100 and even more. So now how cool is this? But here's what most creators leave money on the table. That's where step 4 comes in. Multiple income streams. Most people think YouTube money comes only from advertisement that only pop out whenever you click on every video on YouTube. Now that is the biggest false ever, right? Most creators earn from multiple sources. So probably in this channel there is a link on the description and also at the comment section of this video, which is a course. So if you are ready, this is an affiliate marketing. All right, I will also, if you want me to make a video about affiliate marketing, just drop that in the comment section and I'm ever ready to make a video on how you can get started and also start making or earning an income with your affiliate marketing. Now example, we have ad revenue, we have affiliate marketing. That's what I already told you. So this channel is also doing an affiliate marketing. I have a link in the description of the video. So if you want a course that can help you grow your YouTube channel, just click on that link, and that is affiliate marketing. And that's also another way creators also earn money on YouTube. Now sponsorship, other people are paid for sponsors for them to promote their brand or item on their channel, and also digital product as well. So these are also ways that people also actually make money from YouTube, right? Let's keep it simple, very now let's say you review an AI tool. Let's replace your affiliate link in the description. Someone saying that you earn a commission. So in right now at the description even of this channel, or even at the channel about, there is a link to a YouTube course. So whenever you sign up, I get a commission. So that's a way that I'm also earning money from YouTube. All right, now I'm making money even if the video gets views. Imagine earning $20 from advertisement revenue and $30 from affiliate sales and $50 from sponsorship. That is already $100 per day, and you don't need millions of views, you simply need a system. But now comes that most important step. Now that simple step can double or even triple your earnings to even $1,000. That brings us to step 5, building a content machine. This is the secret. Successful creators don't treat YouTube like a lottery, they treat it like a business. So I don't treat YouTube as a lottery or where you can just get videos. I treat YouTube as a business. Instead of posting once and disappearing, I upload consistently, and a simple schedule should be number one video every day or 3 videos every week. That's also amazing. Now if you are finding more value in this content, kindly give it a thumbs up, like this video, and that encourages me to make more videos like. Let's continue. The goal is volume plus quality. The more high quality videos you publish, the more chances you have to attract views. Think about it. 1 video can make money, 10 videos can make more, 100 videos can create a full-time income. Every day upload becomes another asset working for you 24/7. Now how cool is this? When you upload a video every day in a week, now you'll be having a 24/7 asset working for you. So that is when you can make money from your comfort of your home. You'll be at the house and you make money. That is how channels make $100 per day and beyond. Now how cool is this? Not through luck, through consistency. Alright, now you know this 5-step strategy and $100 per day on YouTube, and even you can even earn much more this strategy correctly. Now how cool is this? So now from to summarize everything, step 1 is to choose a profitable niche, step 2 create a searchable content, step 3 increase watch time, and step 4 use multiple income streams like ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and many more. Now step 5 is build a content machine. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. And if you want to learn how to get your first 1,000 subscribers fast, check out the next video. There's just pop out right here. And now see you there. Peace. Salam.